Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on economatrixdey channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 10 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 13 statistics, and we are going to continue with exercise 13.2, and today's part is part 5. Those who have not watched the previous parts, that is part 1, 2, 3 and 4, I will request them to watch those parts first. I have shared the link at the end of the video, and then you watch the part 5. Okay, then what will happen, the concept will be clear and it will be easy for you to understand this sum. Okay, now we will solve question number 4. We have solved till question number 3, now question number 4. Let us see what they are asking us. The following distribution gives the state-wise, okay, teacher-student ratio. So they are providing us information about teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Okay, find the mode. That means first only they are asking us to find out the mode and mean of this data. After that they are telling us to find out the mean. Okay, and that means you have to find out the mode first and mean after that. Okay, and then you have to interpret, okay, the two measures. Okay, that means what relationship is there, or can you find any relationship between mode and mean? Okay, so you have to interpret the two measures. Okay, so let us find out the mode first and then the mean. Okay, and this is the table given: number of students per teacher, okay, and number of states / union territories. Okay, so 15 to 23, 20 to 25, 8, 25 to 39, 30 to 35, 10, 35 to 43, 40 to 45, 0, 45 to 50, 0, and 50 to 55, 2. So how we used to do? We used to write the two columns. Okay, so here already done in column, but we will write it again from here and then we will try to solve. So I think the question you have understood what you have to find out. Clear? Now if I have to find out the mode, so how we will find out? After writing the two columns, we will see which frequency. The second column is what? Frequency. Which frequency is the highest or the maximum? So here you can see 10. So this one I will circle it, and this is what? The modal class. Okay, and if this is a modal class, then what I will write here? Since, okay, you should write downside. I am writing on here, but you will write below the chart. Okay, since 10 is the maximum frequency, 10 is the maximum frequency. Okay, therefore modal class is what? 30 to 35, 30-35. Now from here you will get all the values you are getting. Okay, so L will be how much? 30, comma. Now modal class, so this one will be F1, the next one will be F2, and the previous one will be F0. So F0 is how much? 9, F1 is how much? 10, and F2 is how much? 3, and H is how much? H is the gap, okay, the width, 15 to 20 or 30 to 35. The gap is how much? 35 minus 30. If you do, it is 5. So therefore what we will write? Mode, we will put the formula now, L plus, I know that you all by this time you must know all the formulas. Okay, so I think you know the formula. So what is that one? F1 minus F0, 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? So this is the formula. Now we will put the values. So what will come? 30 plus then we'll draw one line. F1 is how much? 10 minus F0 is how much? 9. Then 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into H is what? 5. Now 30 plus then 10 minus 9 is how much? 1. 2 into 10 20 minus 9 minus 3 into 5. Now after that 30 plus 1 minus 20 minus 9 11 minus 3 into 5. Then after that 30 plus, now you see 1 by 11 minus 3 is how much? 8 into 5. So can you cut 8 and 5? You cannot cut. So what you will do? After this I am doing here, okay, equal to, now 30 plus, okay, this 30 you will never touch, okay. Now 1 into 5 is how much? 5, and below it is what? 8. Now 30 plus, now 5 by 8 you have to divide, okay. So if you divide, suppose let me do the division here, 5 will be inside, the numerator will be always inside, okay, and 8 will be outside, okay. So will it go? No. So we will put a point, and before point it is good for safety reason to put 0, okay. So point, as soon as I put point here, here comes 0, 50. Now 8 closer to 50, 8 6 48, okay. Got it? Now what is left? 2, okay. Then again 0, 8 2 16. Then what? 4 left, again 0, 8 5 40, okay. And here nothing is left. So 0.625. But you only take, okay, those who want to take 0.625, you can take 0.625, that is the accurate one. But according to their book, okay, they are taking only 0.6. That means after decimal, they are taking only 1 digit, okay. That means 1 decimal number they are taking, okay. Now these two I will add. So how to add it? See here, 30 means 30.0 and this one 0.6. So point below point. So 6, then 0, then here 3. So what you get? 30.6, okay. And this is the students per teacher. So 30.6 students per teacher. So the answer will be students, 30.6 students per teacher, okay. And this is the answer for how to find out what? How to find out the mode. Clear? Now we got the mode. So let me write the mode on one side. Mode equal to 30.6. Why I am writing there? Because at last we have to interpret, so that's why I am writing there, okay. Now this is the two tables given, okay, the chart is given, understanding or no? Now from this chart I have to find out what? Mean, okay. So how we will find out mean? We will be using step deviation method, easiest one. So for that the second column is what? Fi. So I have to add the second column, summation Fi equal to, now let us add 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 3 23 plus 2 25. So 5 and 2 comes here, 2 plus 1 3, so it comes 35, okay. Understood up to this much? Now we have to find out what? Xi. Xi means what? The mid value, okay. How to find out Xi? Now lower plus upper divided by 2. So here let us do the rough. Xi equal to lower plus upper divided by 2. So lower is how much? 15. Upper is how much? 20 by 2. So what it comes? 35 by 2. And 35 by 2 comes how much? 17.5. If you cannot do, you can do in the rough, okay. So 2 1s are 2. Now 1, 15. Now 2 7s are 14. Now 1. Now nothing is there. So point, then 0. 2 5s are 10. Clear? and you will write here 17.5. Clear? Now what was H? H was 5, so it will be increasing 5. So what I told you that 17.5, if you add 5 means 5.0. So what you will get? Now 22, see 7 plus 5, 12, 1. So 22.5. So this will come 22.5. Again with 22 you add 5, 27. So this will be 27.5 will be as it is. Again with 27 you add 5, it will be 32.5. Again with 32 you add 5, 32 plus 5, 37.5. Again with 37 you add 5, so 42.5. Again with 42 you add 5, so it comes 47.5. Again with 47 you add 5, so 52.5. Clear? So mid value or xi we got it. Okay, now let me rub this rough portion, okay, because we are going to do the sum. Now we have to find out what here from the xi a. So we will take the top one, okay, and this is only we will take it as a. Clear? No? A is how much? 17.5. Okay, now which one is a? Next column, ui equal to xi minus a by h. This is the next column, okay, and which is a? I told you to write here 0, okay. After 0, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, okay. Now we have to find out the last column. Last column is what? Now fi into ui, okay. So fi and ui you are going to multiply. 3 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, 9 into 2, 18, 10 into 3, 30, 3 into 4, 12, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 6, 0, 2 into 7, 14. So we got fi into ui. Now we will add it. So what we will write? Summation fi into ui. So see 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18 plus 4, 22, 2 carry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you get? 82. Now we will proceed. We will write the formula. Okay. Let the assumed mean, like this only I have taught you, okay, assumed mean a equal to 17.5. So the assumed mean we are taking how much? 17.5. By step deviation method. By step deviation method. Clear? No? That means we are writing the formula of mean according to the step deviation method. Okay. So mean x bar equal to a plus, now summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Clear? No? Got it? Now after that, now equal to sign. Now a is how much? 17.5 plus. Now fi ui is how much? 82. So we will write here 82. Then summation fi is how much? 35. So we will write here 35. Into h is how much? 5. Now if you see nicely that 5 and 35 can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So what you get? 82 by 7. Now after this, I told you 17.5 you will never touch. Now 82, if you divide by 7, 7 ones are 7, 1 left. Now 2 comes down. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7 again. Now what is left? 5 left. Clear? No? 12 minus 7 is what? 5. Now we will put a point and 0. Now 7 sevens are 49. And then we will not do any more. Okay. After decimal point only one digit. Okay. So 11.7. Now these two we will add it. Okay. So how we will add 17.5 and then 11.7. So 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. 1 carry. 7, 8, 9 and 1 plus 1, 2. So what you get? 29.2. Clear no? And students per teacher. Students per teacher. And this is the answer for what? For the mean. Okay. So mode you got 30.6 and the mean you got 29.2. Okay. Now when we got the mean as well as the mode, now we have to interpret. So what we will interpret, let me rub this portion to write the interpret. So what we can write? We can write like this way. Therefore, most, okay, because mode is the maximum. So most states / union territories have a student teacher ratio of 30.6. Okay. And on an average, why average? Because mean is talking about average only. And on an average, this ratio is 29.2. Okay. And this is the last answer. So 3 answers are there. One is mode, one is the mean, and the last one is the, you have to interpret, okay, about this one, okay, about the 2 measures, okay. Now students, those who are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends and classmates and even relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now, I hope question number 4 you have understood nicely how to find out the mode, how to find out the mean, and how to interpret between the mode and the mean. Okay. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।